Hi guys, in this tutorial I will teach you how you can increase the font size in the Eclipse Editor when you're coding in Java. So what you do first of all is you click the window menu and then you click on Preferences. In the Preferences there is a General as one of the options. Under General you click on Appearance, and as you bring the appearance down and you expand it, you're going to find colors and fonts. When you click on that, it gives you many folders that represents different kind of files that you can work with in Eclipse. So now I will expand on Java. And in Java, there is an option that reads Java Editor Text. You click on that, then you click on Edit, and then you pick a font size. So let's say if I choose font size 18, I can choose a font name, I can change it, font style, whatever. I just want to show you if you click OK and apply, here you can see that the font size automatically increases to a larger font size. Hope you would have learned how you can change the font size. You're not limited to changing the font size alone. If you click on it, this basically is a font size for the editor, but there are other text that appears within Java, and you can change the font sizes and you can change the colors and stuff like that. Take care, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.